Hello, Mrs. T.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm all right. How is everybody out there? I hope you're all well.
I'm okay, thank you very much.
Good.
Now then.
Yes.
God, you come up with some crazy things. You really
I don't
do.
think it's a crazy idea. I was doing.
Well, not yet. You don't.
No, exactly. But I was doing a bit of research the other day about what? Oh yes, about our little boomer bear, who's now 2 and a bit. And
It looks like, what is going on, Mum?
yeah, does it involve food?
No.
No, not this time.
It involves putting something in his mouth.
So I did a bit of research, and I heard somewhere that you're supposed to be cleaning your doggy's teeth. Yeah, supposed to be cleaning teeth. So I did a bit of research, and I came up with really you've got to have the proper stuff. You know, you've got a doggy toothpaste, and this one was an enzymatic toothpaste, a sort of a doggy dentist recommended, if you like. If you get doggy dentists.
Okay.
The vets.
That's
the one, yeah.
Yes. I think a vet covers everything, doesn't it?
Dentists.
Whereas with a human, you have to have...
Yeah, exactly. So I got this, and
What make is it?
It's Verbac, and it's CET. I don't know what CET stands for. Perhaps somebody out there can tell us what CET stands for.
Does it not say under
I
where it
don't
says
know.
CET on the front?
No, it doesn't. I don't know. But I got this one. I did a lot of... oh, hang on, what does that say? That says toothpaste and tankerum.
Try reading it in English.
Well, I can't see one that says English. Oh, hang on, there's one here. Right, there you go.
And they say men don't read instructions.
Toothpaste. Apply a small quantity on the finger or CET toothbrush.
Ah.
Or perhaps it's a toothbrush that's CET then.
Yeah.
I don't know. Brush your pet's teeth every day or as directed by your vet. Not intended for human consumption. And this one I got is poultry flavour. So we've got some poultry flavour. Poultry flavour, yes, it's
I
lovely.
don't think he looks too impressed.
No, and I got these things. They say start off with these and then move on to sort of long-handled ones. So these are the doggy dentists, and I like this as well because it talks about Chris and Megs. So hello, doggy dentists, Chris and Megs. At the doggy dentist, pet dental care is our passion. See? So you've got to place the brush, and you get two
Hang on a
things
second.
in here.
What are they?
These are doggy brushes. These are doggy teeth brushes. What? Don't laugh.
I'm not even going to say what I think they look like, but there you go.
Oh, you're just wrong.
Well, I'm not wrong, but
You
you
are.
know, they, well...
I don't know how you're supposed to stick it on. It's that way or that way. It does look a bit that way anyway. Anyway, regardless. So squeeze a peanut-sized amount of your preferred pet toothpaste onto the side of the brush. For best results, we recommend using our pure enzymatic pet toothpaste. Slowly introduce the brush to your pet by allowing him to sniff and lick.
Sliff and nick?
No.
Sliff and nick? This is going to go wrong,
Sniff
isn't it?
and lick at it and grip your pet gently but firmly. Well, anyway, so it might take several attempts for your pet to become used to this process.
I need to grip you gently but firmly.
No. Right. And they've got their own little cases, look, which I like. So thank you, Chris and Megs. And it says thank you for supporting our small family business as well. So if you need doggy toothbrushes, go and visit Chris and Megs. Hang on. And you go, Chris at thedoggydentist.com, look.
There you go. Okay. So what they're saying is put some of this on the applicator.
The brush.
It's
not an applicator, it's a brush.
The brush.
Yes.
And
then let him lick it.
it.
Yeah, so he gets used to the fact that you're going to start sticking things in his mouth.
Oh, right.
Come on, Booms. Come on. Right. Now we're going to get... Oh, what's this? Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, look at this. Looks really... Oh, does that smell nice? Does it smell nice, right?
Booms.
Peanut-sized.
This is your introduction to the dentist. Yeah, Daddy hates dentists.
Right. What's this?
Can you let him lick it off then?
Oh, good. Oh, that looks interesting. Oh, what's that? Oh, right. Let me look at teeth. Look at teeth. Look at teeth. Right, sit. Good boy. Right. Look. Okay, look. Ready? Let me see your teeth. Come here, let me see your teeth. Look.
This is where Mummy gets on the floor.
Because it's a good idea to get mummies on the floor, isn't it? Yes, it is. And we go like this. Look, ready? Sniff. Oh, yeah, sniff, lick. Do you want some? Lick. Oh, yes, please, mummy. Oh, look at that. Oh, what are we going to do here? Look, ready? Open it wide, look.
Okay.
Yeah, look. You're not supposed to eat my finger.
I suppose that's why you've got a
Yeah.
armour finger sheath thing on.
Then, what's this? Are you going to let me do it then? Or are you just going to... Right. Okay, let's try another bit. Let's try another bit. Ready? You ready? Right. Oh, I'd say cheese.
No, he says toothpaste.
Poultry. Come here, look. Look.
You've done that side. Oh no, I'm impressed.
That's a good boy. Look. And it says you've got to do it up near the top of the gums. That's it.
Ooh.
That's it. By the side of the gums. That's it. Come here then. Come here. Just more. Look. Oh, look. Oh, look at this. Look at your teeth. Come here.
Come on, Booms.
I want the tube. He said there's stuff in the tube.
I was impressed with the fact, Booms, that you were enjoying it then.
Come here then.
It's just that Mummy's got to try and get it in the other side now, hasn't she?
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit, lie down, Booms.
Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
That's
boy.
it. Good boy.
Good boy. Look at you. Look at you. Look. Look at this.
You've done that side.
Have I done that side?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you feed or clean the teeth of a 2-year-old chocolate Labrador.
Is it fun? Is it fun? Do you want some more?
If you think I'm doing this every morning before I go to work,
Nom, nom, nom. Brush away.
isn't there a song we sing to the grandchildren?
Yeah. Brush away. Brush today. Sit down. Right. Calm. Let me see those lovely teeth. Look at those lovely teeth. Look at those lovely teeth. Can I do your teeth?
Well, I suppose
please?
for a first attempt,
It's quite good. You're a clever boy. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, should do a bit more.
This is more. Boom, sit down. Wait for
Sit.
Mummy. Wait for
Sit down.
Mummy.
Right, we're going to go some more. Where are we? Look.
Go in the other side.
What, this side?
Yes.
At the top?
Anywhere, really.
Oh, that's clever, isn't it?
He's a clever boy.
Yeah. I can't get at your teeth. There, look. Oh, yes.
He's done that side dozens of times.
Well, doesn't matter.
What about his front gnashers?
Right, say cheese.
Cheese or toothpaste.
Cheese. Lie still, let me
Well,
do
I'm
it.
impressed.
I'm
It's
impressed. Oi.
for a first attempt.
You're
I think
a very good boy. You're a very good boy.
I really think.
Come on, lie down. Sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You're Mummy's baby, aren't you? Yes, you are. Will you stop trying to eat my finger? Lick. Good boy. Do you think we're a success?
I think that's a success for the first attempt.
Yeah? So was that a success? Was that a success? Did you enjoy that? Did you?
He says, "Where's we got any more left, Mum?"
Yeah, we've got some more left for tomorrow. And the next day.
Mind you, at this rate, there won't be much left.
I can't wait to move from this one to the long-handled toothbrush. Well,
Excellent.
well, there you go. Give
So,
us a thumbs up or a finger up.
Let's just go back and look at the product again. So,
You enjoyed that, didn't you? He says, yeah. It's more. He's had enough for today.
so
I'm all sticky.
Doggy Dentists,
Yep.
the healthy teeth and happy pets.
Yep. And you just wash it under the tap.
And you get the 2 applicators,
They're toothbrushes.
toothbrushes from Chris and Meg's. So that's pretty cool. And you've got a little holder there for them. You've got an email there for chris@thedoggydentists.com. They're made in China for the Dog Dentists Limited.
Yeah. So
So
they
that's
obviously
good.
outsource it or something, but it's great. 360-degree silicone toothbrush.
Okay, and that's the toothpaste.
I think there are other toothpastes.
Yeah.
I just found that one and,
Yeah, that's good.
quick link to it.
How much did that cost?
Oh, under a tenner. Well, no, about 21. No, 21 quid I think for the lot.
£21 for the lot.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
I got it off Amazon. So you just look up this CET enzymatic toothpaste, and you look up Doggy Silicone whatchamacallits. Stick that in a pot. Look at that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good. Well done, you.
Well done us.
Oh, well done. Oh, Boomer, put
your lipstick
away. That's it.
Yes, cover that up.
You obviously found that rather exciting. So there you go. Give us a thumbs up if that is any help for you. If you want to try and clean your dog's teeth, or the next door neighbour's dog's teeth, or any dog that you find needs its teeth cleaning, then clean it with those things. But obviously make sure you're responsible.
Look at those pearly ones. Look at that, look.
Look at that.
Little pearly ones. Say
Jeez. Give us a thumbs up if that's been of any good to you. Hit the like button or subscribe button, or both, please. And the more you subscribe, the more of these little things we can try and bring you as a little bit of a healthy tips.
And when I get really good at it and he lies still and everything else, if that happens, I'll come back to show you.
Perfect. Thank you.